You know that moment when you download something free and your laptop suddenly starts breathing heavily like it's running a marathon it didn't train for? Yeah, let's talk about that website. So, FileCR, a website that looks like the Costco of free software, where everything is available, nothing is full price, and absolutely nothing looks like it came from a legal place. You'll see full version, activated, cracked, premium, enterprise, ultra, ultimate, mega, pro edition, all lined up like they're on Black Friday sale. Now, FileCR claims their files are safe, which is adorable. That's the digital equivalent of a stranger in a dark alley whispering, "Don't worry, trust me." My brother in Christ, if you have to say it's safe, I'm already suspicious. Let's talk facts. To start with, they host cracked software. That alone is a red flag marching with a trumpet. Cracked software is unpredictable. Sometimes it's clean, sometimes it's carrying malware that wants to run your password like a shopping list. And what about user reviews across the internet? Not glowing at all. Trustpilot reviews show people complaining about malware, stolen credentials, and system issues. Not everyone had a bad experience, but the negative reviews are too loud to ignore. If the internet had a group chat about FileCR, half the messages would be, "Guys, my PC is speaking Latin. Help!" Users frequently warn about potential Trojan risks, modified installers, and unexpected system behavior after downloading from FileCR. Again, not every file is malicious, but the risk is real. And what do scam-checking sites say? They don't call FileCR an outright scam, but they do label it as high risk. That's basically the polite way of saying, you can go there, but why? So, does FileCR always have viruses? No. But can it? Absolutely. It's like buying street food from someone who refuses to tell you what's in the sauce. You might eat it and be fine, or you might meet your ancestors. If you love your laptop, your passwords, your bank account, and your sanity, stick to official software sites, verified distributors, or open-source alternatives. If you insist on FileCR, at least prepare antivirus, prayers, holy water, and maybe a backup hard drive. Thanks for watching. If this saved you, or your laptop, from early retirement, please don't forget to like and subscribe. It keeps me emotionally stable.